Every step a little closer to the edge, standing on a broken ledge. Voices echoing through the haze, counting down the final days. And I'm falling through the static now. Can't remember why or how. Every signal fades to gray. Let the tide take me away. Cascade down, and I'm weightless. Nothing here can save this. Sinking deeper in the sound. Let it pull me underground, where the silence wraps around. Cascade down. Energy pulls back, see memories like shattered glass flicker through and fade too fast, chasing shadows in the glow, drowning in the overflow. Every silence breaks the same, whisper softly, call my name. Maybe I'm too far to reach, maybe this is what I need. Let the darkness pull me through. Nothing left for me to